We got peach cobbler today. When I think of peach cobbler, I think of the delicious juicy peaches and that nice cobbler top. It's usually a really simple cake batter and it is so delicious, it's so comforting, and it's one of the state desserts in my 50 video series. So let me know in the comments what your guess is for the state that has peach cobbler as the state dessert. The recipe is in the description so you can make this at home, and before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can come back every week for new recipes. We're gonna start by cooking some fresh peaches, peeled, cored, and sliced, with some sugar and a pinch of cinnamon in a pot just until the peaches release the juices and it comes to a simmer. It only takes about a few minutes. Now for the batter, it's just flour, brown sugar, regular sugar, salt, baking powder, and cinnamon with some vanilla and milk. Very simple batter we're gonna whisk together. And then to get our pan ready, it's an 8x8. We're putting in 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and just melting that in the oven at 350 and adding our peaches on top of that, followed by that really simple batter. It's not gonna cover the whole thing, that's fine. Just swirl the batter around until it's dispersed throughout the dish. Bake at 350 for about 40 minutes and it is absolutely delicious. I love the simplicity of a cobbler. It's the fruit, it's some sugar, a little bit of flavoring, and that basic batter that goes on top. You just bake it and it is so delicious. It smells incredible, and peaches are one of my favorite fruits. There's just something so perfect about baked peaches. They're so sweet, so much flavor, nice and tender. That batter on top baked beautifully. And for those of you that guessed, the state that has peach cobbler is Georgia, my home state, number 35 in my series. It's about time we got here. Once again, recipe is in the description so you can make this at home. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.